Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Augsmile A016GG 16,000 BTU portable air conditioner. I've looked through the internet, checked customer reviews, portable AC discussions, homeowner experiences, and general feedback about this unit. And in this video, I'm going to break down whether this portable air conditioner is actually worth buying or if you should skip it. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest selling point here is obviously the cooling power. A 16,000 BTU portable AC is not a tiny bedroom cooler. This thing is designed for larger spaces, and Augsmile claims coverage for rooms up to 850 square feet. Now realistically, like with almost every portable air conditioner, real-world performance depends heavily on insulation, sunlight, ceiling height, and room layout. But most feedback online suggests this unit does a solid job cooling medium to large rooms quickly, especially apartments, living rooms, home offices, and garage spaces. Several reviews mentioned noticeable temperature drops within minutes after turning it on. One thing I kept seeing while researching this model was how much people appreciated the convenience factor. Portable ACs are mainly for people who either can't install a window unit, are renting, or need cooling that can move from room to room. The included window kit and caster wheels make setup much easier compared to permanent systems. According to reviews, installation is pretty straightforward and can usually be done without special tools. The Wi-Fi App Control is another feature that makes this feel more modern than budget portable ACs. You can control temperature, fan speeds, timers, and operating modes directly from your phone, which honestly becomes more useful than people expect. Being able to cool your room before you get home is genuinely convenient during hot summer days. Multiple reviews also mentioned Alexa compatibility and remote scheduling features working surprisingly well for this price range. Now the 5-in-1 functionality is also a big plus because this isn't just a cooling machine. You're getting cooling mode, fan mode, dehumidifier mode, sleep mode, and timer controls all packed into one unit. A lot of users specifically praise the dehumidifier performance because humidity can honestly make a room feel way hotter than the actual temperature. Portable ACs that handle moisture properly tend to feel much more comfortable overall. Another thing that stood out during research is the leak-proof and self-evaporative design. Portable ACs often get criticized for water drainage problems, but many users reported this unit handled condensation pretty well without constant draining hassles. That's a huge deal because nobody wants a portable AC turning into a maintenance nightmare during peak summer heat. But now let's talk about the downsides, because portable air conditioners always come with compromises. The biggest issue is noise. Even though some reviews describe this model as relatively quiet for a portable AC, you still have to remember that the compressor is sitting inside your room. Compared to mini-split systems or central air, portable units are naturally louder. Reddit discussions about portable ACs in general repeatedly point out that most of them are noticeable during operation, especially while sleeping. The second reality check is efficiency. Portable ACs are convenient, but they are usually less efficient than window units or mini-splits because of how they vent hot air through the exhaust hose. Some Reddit users even describe portable ACs as good enough solutions rather than perfect cooling systems. I also noticed a few minor complaints about hose durability and long-term build quality in some reviews. Nothing major or widespread, but it's something worth mentioning if you plan to move the unit around constantly. But after going through reviews, owner feedback, and overall impressions, here's my conclusion. If you need a strong, portable cooling solution for a large room, want smart app controls, easy installation, dehumidifying features, and the flexibility to move the unit around when needed, then yes, I do think the Augsmile A016GG is worth buying, especially for renters, apartments, home offices, or spaces where installing permanent air conditioning simply isn't practical. However, if you're expecting whisper-quiet performance or the same efficiency as a dedicated mini-split system, you'll probably be disappointed because that's just the reality of portable AC technology in general. Overall, the Augsmile A016GG feels like a solid modern portable air conditioner that focuses on convenience, strong cooling performance, and smart features. And for the right setup, it can absolutely make summer a lot more comfortable.